JohnPaul just got his. Oh, who's this?
Mommy, can you put my mask on?
Yes.
We're in Korea. There's Dirty A here. He just assembled this box of superheroes. There he is. They're going after it. Took him a couple hours, but they're going for it. I think the big guy is winning.
Go, crack.
Get him! Ah!
It's going. This is too fun.
Boom! Boom! Boom!
That's a really cool. You made that all by yourself?
Wait, I thought this guy shoots. Doesn't he shoot this guy? Okay, have him
But
have
it
him
has
fire
to
back.
Have the person on,
Have him fire back.
but it has to have the person on so it can control.
Oh, that's cool. So, all right. I think he won. I think he won. The end. Good job, Iron Man.
Falcon.
Oh,
swoops
Falcon.
in.
Falcon came.
He distracts him.
Falcon's in the picture also. Wait.
That's Outrider.
All right. And they won. We have some other guys lying down there.
So here, this box, it comes with
Oh.
Bruce Banner, Falcon, Proxima Knight, and Outrider. JohnPaul's 6 years old, and it took him a couple of hours to put this together, and he's enjoyed it.
That's right. Okay. The end. Good job.